Good morning. It's Friday. It is 5:50 in the morning. We have this view. There's chickens, welcoming the morning. And we're going to the hot tub.
Morning swim fan.
I only have 2 hours of sleep, but I actually feel great.
What a great morning.
Oh yeah, Marty's here too.
It's crazy to think about how far away we are from home. Almost 4,000 miles of traveling, but it was worth it for moments like these.
But we're very relaxed right now.
She stepped on a sea urchin.
We're at Hawaii. This looks like clear water.
This is clear water.
Long story short, when we decided to go to Hawaii, Annalise thought that clear water looked like Hawaii and we could do the same things. I see the resemblance.
Quote Annalise, see that island? That's also clear water. Good morning and welcome to the second day of our Hawaii trip. But now it's the first official day with events that we're doing here in Hawaii. We're gonna eat some breakfast and then we are going to start the game plan of day 2. Today we're gonna be hiking. We're gonna go see a waterfall, probably swim. Keep you guys posted. But hey, we got mountains over here. We got a beautiful view. Marty came over and dapped me up and hit the gritty.
La playita.
La playita.
Playita.
Playita. What the heck? We got... She wants the best view. This is the upstairs balcony. Right here I was trying to be very cinematic and, cool, having a good shot, but then...
This looks like get your butt in the kitchen and start up cooking.
So that's exactly what I didn't do, but I did get some good shots of the breakfast and did cut a couple of oranges, so that's something. Grabbed myself a plate and served myself some good breakfast and enjoyed this amazing view. And we're getting ready for our first event, which is hiking.
Touch it. I'm just kidding.
Made it to the starting point of our hike, but then it started to rain.
Hey, Shishi, it's raining.
That should be the old Hawaiian tribal people.
The tribal people?
Yeah, that's what their mouth looked like. Like if they caught you, bro, it was over.
It's over. We made it to, what is it called? What is this? The hike. We made it to the hike.
Waimea Valley. I got a flower.
I got this leaf.
Mira, mira.
Drop my phone there. Here in Hawaii, I've been bit way too many times.
Maylene thought of a cinematic scene where I dropped this leaf into the current of this stream. I completely failed.
We are in the hike. This is not in Florida.
Instead of physical war, 2 kings would play in this checkered board and the loser would have to give up their land.
I completely missed.
Bro, you suck.
Wait.
Why are you so bad?
Okay, ready? It's because I'm not trying to watch.
So we enjoyed ourselves with other Hawaiian artifacts. Miss Noel became a Hawaiian dancer, and we all tried this shell horn that people would use to call for backup.
It's like the call for backup. Hey. Okay, you're actually spitting on it. Calling for backup. Blow it. The allies are not hearing that. Oh, dude. Que lindo. Que lindo. Que lindo. Que lindo.
So we continue to walk and admire these Hawaiian views that are completely unmatched.
It's been raining the whole time.
Little did we know Chuma was setting up himself for a life-changing experience.
I'm gonna post a picture, but a couple months ago, this man right here proposed to the one and only Jeremy Johnson. And today is the day where they get married. So we're here reunited. In a place not other than Hawaii. We're gonna make this happen.
Together for 4 years.
Thank you all for coming here. We're here to see united 2 amazing people. Who is here to give off the bride today?
Her mother and I. Her mother and I. And then you.
Now it's time for Alexis to let Jeremy Johnson go.
on the wrong side.
I don't know how I got here.
You're on the wrong side.
Sorry, I get a little emotional. This is my first kid. Queen. And this is my brother right here, Jonathan Chuma. And me as the pastor, it's my responsibility to make sure it's official. So, Chuma, do you accept Jeremy Johnson as your husband?
I obviously do.
Take your vows, please.
I want to attend every Stephen Curry game.
Jeremy, do you accept Jonathan Chuma as your partner? I know, I feel you. Okay, let's do it. Yep. Now, may you please say your vows to Jonathan Chuma?
I'll be with you always.
Does anyone object? I object! I object! You shut up! I object! You shut up!
Let's go to the water.
The king is first.
Okay, so this is post-wedding. So Emma, what do you think about the wedding? Was that a good pass?
I literally loved it. It was so good. It was so beautiful. I had tears in my eyes.
I had tears in my eyes too. Hey, I'm just saying I do not support gay marriage at all. We're just having fun here.
I want to say something to their wedding.
That was a lame. Maggie has something to say very, very important.
Every time I go to weddings, it just makes me so emotional because it's so beautiful.
Okay, Rose, what did you think about the wedding?
I objected. It should not have happened.
She objected.
W wedding, there was no food, but I mean,
Hey, all the money was spent because we're in Hawaii, okay?
all respect to Chuma, the bride was so bad.
Hey, but since people objected, I guess it wasn't official because also the ring broke. But whatever. The ring literally broke. I think it was a quality wedding for what it was. I'm proud of that man. So we continued our hike journey until we made it to the waterfall and got in. And I gotta say that swimming next to the waterfall was one of the best experiences of my life. I look like an egg. This has to be the first time I record in water. Tarzan was here the other day. I said hi to him. Tarzan, are you one with the water? We're one with the water. Even though we had an insane view, the water was freezing cold. It's so freaking cold.
So cold.
It's so cold. It's so cold, but I love it so much. Wait.
Curly swimming.
Wait, Chuma got in. I'm so scared. Love y'all. Yo, we're about to get under the waterfall. I'm gonna go under. Okay. That's good. Get out here. Y'all film. Leave a like. Subscribe. You got more videos like this. Comment down below. Type stuff. Love y'all.
It's getting warmer. I didn't even
Crazy.
Dr. 24, baby.
What's up, guys? So we are back from. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, so we are back from the waterfall, and we just finished eating some burgers.
Someone pooped on my shirt.
Someone pooped on your shirt? It's kind of an update. Camden really wants a tan by the end of this trip, so he's over there.
The sun is not out. I do want to.
What if the spider crawls on me?
Yeah, the sun is not out, so I don't know how he's gonna tan, but he's gonna do it. I've been your number one tan fan.
Guys, let's grab a coconut.
I've been your number one tan fan the whole trip. Anyways,
I'm not gonna lie, I was hoping it would fall.
Anthony's starting to edit his video. Annalise is kind of dead over there, and Maylene was with me.
This shit's actually sophisticated. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna hold you. I'm gonna go hit the jacuzzi.
Yeah, so I was getting whipped. It rains every 20 seconds. It rains every 20 seconds, and then it stops, and then it rains again. So that's kind of cool. Anthony farted!
Anthony! Anthony!
Okay, guys, it's been a good day so far. Right now we're just chilling. An 8-player game on Camden Switch Pico Park. Basically, it's like a multiplayer game.
Pretty much what's going on is they're attempting to connect the controllers or whatever.
We're just trying to play a game, but we can't even connect controllers. It's been like 30 minutes. It's been like 30 minutes. We can't even play the game because like we can't connect the controllers.
Shut up, Andres. You are not real into Pedro Luna.
We finally got the game to start, and to beat these levels, we need chemistry and teamwork. Two things we did not have.
Why are you guys so retarded?
Bro, we gave a dozen monkeys these controllers. I bet they could solve it faster than us. I hate this game. After some time of playing this game, we actually started to get heated up.
I'm literally getting the key. I'm getting the key. I got the key. Nobody move. No, I got the. Can everyone move? I can't open the door if y'all are in front of it.
Nobody press anything. You're fat!
This is the senior class. Done. We're done with this.
After that mentally exhausting game, we decided to go to the beach.
This is a perfect time to compare Hawaii to Clearwater's beach. We pulled to the beach. The beach is not white like Clearwater back at home.
Then in the distance, we saw a man that looked like he was gonna jump off a cliff to the sand.
Also, this is not Clearwater.
Hopefully we can see the sunset from here, but me, Jeremy, Gigi, and Gian are jumping off a cliff.
That's exactly what we did. I jumped about 3 times. Kempta did an amazing backflip. I admired this beautiful view, and then I started walking for a little bit.
Very nice over here. Marty has been up there. Marty! Just did a backflip. Marty has been up there for like what, 30 minutes?
If you can jump off the rock, get off the beach.
Anthony got buried alive.
Can you guys film it better?
Yeah, for me.
Hey, what you mean by that?
Then as a group, we shared gummy worms. I got 2, one for myself and the other one for Anthony, because, you know, he's still buried alive. Now we're gonna start heading home to make ourselves some dinner.
We're making pizza.
So we got our yeast thrown at us, grabbed a bowl, and we all prepared ourselves to make delicious pizza. We threw our yeast in the bowl and mixed it with water. Oh, it looks like poopy.
This is what my vomit looks like.
Remember, we're cooking right after the beach, and Miss Noel told us not to take a shower, just to go straight to cooking our pizzas. And I don't know about my classmates, but me personally, I was very tired.
I'm gonna need like a 7-minute power nap or something.
Okay, look, don't make this.
I mean, like,
you don't need to
therapy after this. This is driving me. It's going too slow. Good job. Oh my.
What are you doing?
Why? You want this to turn out right, you're gonna pay attention to how to measure the flour.
2 cups of flour. I'm putting 8 cups of flour.
What are you doing right now?
I've not even helped. I'm here for like support.
It's like slime.
Help us. I'm not getting my house shower. Like,
Don't worry, I'll take a hot shower for you.
Okay, no. But like, I'm saying like, if it's optional, I want to get it first.
Well, it's not, because I'm gonna be.
You add a little bit of spice. Show me adding spice.
You're gonna mess up my second meal of the day.
More dough.
Okay, can we make more?
This is like
It has holes on it. Well, I guess it worked.
I think we're ordering pizza.
Good stuff, Carl. Chuma, stop touching it.
Go make a burrito.
Oh, go make me a bowl.
What? Shut up.
It's background music.
I don't want back.
Have oregano. Now it smells like pizza.
It smells like Italy.
Hey, you're stealing the cheese. What are you doing?
Take their pizza.
Look how beautiful this is.
Yeah, literally, I like to do it.
Except And she just said that you're not beautiful. That just doesn't sit right to me. Because I feel like this pizza actually eats that. And the fact that it doesn't have that makes me feel like someone's being.
What the?
Phil did say no pepperoni.
Our pizza is glorious as well, but unfortunately, pepperoni.
I'm sorry about the pepperoni.
We're done with our pizza and now we're gonna cook it.
While the pizzas were cooking, I went outside and enjoyed this unmatched sunset. First sunset for us here in Hawaii.
Dark brown, but they're not that like that.
Do you like it? Anyways, it's good.
And to finish our day, we played Ultimate Chicken Horse at night. This game was a lot more chill than Pico Park earlier today. And just like that, day 2 is complete. Make sure to watch day 1 if you have it, and see you guys on Tuesday.